Hello and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video basically I'm going to give a review of a foundation, that is W7 HD foundation. To know about the whole review, please watch this video until the end. And if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So you can see this foundation comes in this type of pump like bottle. So it contains 30 ml of product, and they claim that it's rich and creamy foundation. This will last up to 12 hours and give you a medium coverage. So I bought it in the shade golden according my skin tone. I will show you now. It's a creamy texture. So I will suggest this foundation to basically those who have normal to combination skin. There are 20 shades available. I think for its pump-like bottle you can distribute a desired amount without pouring or dripping, so it reduces the product waste mainly. So you can see it smoothly blends in my skin. So those who are searching for full coverage matte foundation, I will not suggest this foundation to them as it gives medium coverage. It cost me about, you can see the price, taka 450. So it's not that much costly, rather it's cheap. So before you using it, don't forget to shake and then use. If you watch carefully, you can see the two differences. This one is more tanner than this hand. So if you want a golden and tan based look, you can use and buy this foundation.